to Renee Banks. It's me, Renee, and I'm back to give another video. And as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing what's in my feminine hygiene emergency kit 2021. Before we get this video, make sure you smash that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become Renee Banks. Because Renee wear, no way, that's someone that's a period. And make sure that your post notification bells are on so you will when I upload new videos because you don't miss out on anything. And let's get into the video. This is what it looks like, and this is pretty much everything I carry in here. So before we get started, I want to show you guys these are the two things. This is one thing, that is this, and wipes, like, you know, the little packet of wipes and the napkins are three of the things that are only in here for like a week of every single month. If you know these are pads, I'm pretty sure you can tell. But other than that, they're never really in my bag like that. I just keep them. I just keep one on me just in case it's for me or someone else. I just keep one on me, but now I'm deciding to keep two just in case I do have to give them someone else and I still need one myself. But this mini baby wipes and paper towels are the only thing, like mini towelettes are the only ones that are never like really in my bag like that. So basically when you look at it, it's this clear shimmery type bag, and it has this rose gold detailing like right here, and then it has like the zipper and stuff like that, and then this rose gold strap. So the first things that are in here and are always in here, I never leave them. If I do, I kind of feel weird. Even though I do wear a mask, I still feel weird without them. Is my Vaseline stick, my Vaseline, and my MAC lip gloss. And the reason that I have only have these are because I haven't been to the hair store in a minute, and you know, every time I go in there, I'm going in here and I forget to get lip gloss, the Vita lip gloss, which is why I only have these two at the moment. The thing I have is two types of deodorants, and I don't really know why I carry two types of deodorants. I just always need it. Let me just have two types of deodorants, because this one is like more of a easy spray on one rather than having to like, you know, rub and rub. This one is more like spray on type stuff. But this one I like to use when it's like when I'm like wearing something more heavier, because I tend to sweat when I'm not really doing anything. I'm just sitting there and it's like something hot on me, like I am moving around, I have like a thick sweater or something. I tend to use this one because this is more I tend to use this one because this one is more it's like a spray, but it's not wet. It's a spray, but it's not wet. This is more like, it feels like baby powder, but it's not baby powder. It's like a liquid, but it's still and then this one is the one that I use like just every single day when I'm not really doing anything, or like when I get out the shower or stuff like that. But I use this one a lot more than I use this one. I got that mixed up. But yeah, these are my two deodorants, because I was like, why do you have two deodorants? Because I need two deodorants. Like, what if I lose this one? Then I'm gonna have a backup one, you know what I'm saying? What if I don't feel like putting that on? What if I'm in the public bathroom, I don't want to spray this out loud, I want to put this on because this is more silent, you know what I'm saying? I love to have two. You don't have to have two, but I love two. You can have two of the same ones you already have. It doesn't matter. It's your deodorant and it's what you put on your body. So the next two things I have is hand sanitizer, and I have this hand sanitizer from Victoria's Secret. It's the scent of pineapple tonka. That right there. I don't know if you can can you see it? No, I don't think so. Let me put it up here. Okay, there we go. That scent. And then this is another one from Bath & Body Works. It's from the 𝗪𝗵𝘁 collection, the stress relief sub collection, and the eucalyptus plus tea with essential oils. And this is what that looks like. So yeah, I only use hand sanitizers. I only have hand sanitizer in this bag because I like to smell good all day, even though I do without it, but still. And then plus on top of that, hand sanitizer is pretty much everywhere now, and it's especially everywhere in my parents' car, my dad's car, my mom's car. They have hand sanitizer in there as well. So you know, I'm always never without hand sanitizer. I never see a day without using hand sanitizer. If I do, it's probably because I'm never going anywhere. But yeah, and the last two things that I have in here is some lotion, and this is from the Rose lotion. This is from the Rose fragrance collection at Bath & Body Works, and it's the 24-hour moisture super smooth body lotion with shea butter and coconut oil. So yeah, this smells good. And if you didn't watch what I got for Christmas, go check that out. But this is, if you did, this is the lotion I got for Christmas with the body gel. I didn't get the perfume yet. I'm still waiting to see if another thing goes back in stock before I get that. But yeah. And then the last thing I have is this Golden Honey right here. Golden Honey body mist from the pink section, the pink collection of Victoria's Secret, and it's honeysuckle and vanilla amber. And if you don't know how this smells, oh my god, this is so good. At first when I smelled, I was like, wait, what is this? But that's because it was a strong smell. I sprayed too much, but it's so good. Like after you know how certain things like Bath & Body Works and stuff, you put it on and like that's the smell you get, and then like once it sets in, that's the smell you get, and then once like a day or two, like a couple of hours, or like the end of the day, it has a different scent. That's kind of what this does. Like when you spray it on, it's like this really strong vanilla honey type scent, and later on it's like this more innocent soft type scent, you know what I'm saying? That at night it's like the same scent, but it's kind of like faded a bit. And this lasts all day. My jacket, all my clothes still smell like this. Like unless they are go in the wash, they all still smell like this. Like my night clothes, my jackets, my pretty much anything that I wear like at nighttime, or like jackets and stuff, they still smell good, as well as pants and shirts and stuff like that. All of my stuff smell exactly like the scent, which is kind of what I was going for, because I like my clothes to smell like one scent and not a whole bunch of different stuff. So yeah, this smells really good. So if you have not tried this collection, please do. That's really good from Victoria's Secret. This you can find at, where can you find this at? You can find this in all the dollar stores. You can find this in Walmart, Target. You can find this, I got this from Walmart, I believe, but you can find it pretty much anywhere they sell hygiene products, I guess. And then this you can find at Walmart in the very back section with the travel size, like in the hygiene section, in like the travel section type thing. If you go back there in the very back, if you have ever been in the back of Walmart and you walk past it and it has like tiny things, that's where you can get this from. This is obviously from Victoria's Secret. Oh! This is from Bath & Body Works, and yeah, I think that's it. Oh, no, it's not. And then this from the hair store, and this from the hair store or Walmart or any dollar store. So that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a Renee baby, because the Renee way you know it, that's someone that's some period, as you already know. And make sure that your notification bells are on so you get alerted when I upload a video, so you don't miss out on anything. And see you guys on Friday.